Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. And earlier this morning, I made a video about what's next for AT&T. So I also wanted to do the same for Verizon. So Verizon's earnings call is on October 25th, which is going to be a big one. But Verizon currently is gearing up for a full transition over to 5G. You guys have seen their millimeter wave deployment and speeds. Well, as of today, they announced at Mobile World Congress that they are gearing up for DSS launch next year, and they are going to use all three major vendors. That'll include Nokia, Ericsson, and Samsung. So they are going to make a big, heavy push on transitioning over to the dynamic spectrum sharing technology to make use of their current spectrum on 5G. Now, of course, they are still going to use millimeter wave spectrums at much more populated venues because that's just the way to go, and millimeter wave is going to be the next generational leap. The only thing the DSS is going to really allow you to do is gain coverage using 5G NR. Now, what the FCC government has to do is create more mid-band spectrum to make the speeds faster, but they will never be as fast as what the wideband channels of millimeter wave can do. So this is a step in the right direction for Verizon using the DSS technology. My predictions, being in the industry for some time, all carriers are going to convert over to DSS starting next year, and some may have already started now. So I just wanted to present this to you guys. Like I said, today was a busy day. I got lots more content coming. But Verizon is gearing up for the dynamic spectrum sharing technology that many said Verizon was hiding their strategy. Well, little by little, they are letting it be known that they will do the same. This technology and all the other carriers are probably going to do the same thing. But Verizon just chose to roll out the millimeter wave spectrum first, and the DSS technology will follow. Now, of course, T-Mobile, they did it backwards, so to speak. They used their 600 megahertz first. And as they rolled that out to gain LTE coverage, wherever they used the 600 megahertz panel, as Neville stated, it was already 5G ready. So those panels that have been integrated into the network are now ready, and they just need to be turned on by a flip of a switch. So that's what they're going to start doing next month. And that's how they're going to gain their 5G coverage. Now, T-Mobile is still going to use the original plan of splitting the spectrum between 5G and LTE until they can integrate the DSS technology. So, again, I just wanted to make this video. What's next for Verizon? I think Verizon is going to heavily transition over to 5G starting next year. And as you can see, they've already started using them with the millimeter wave spectrum. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload content. Make sure to follow all of my social media outlets, especially my Instagram for my trip coming up. This is Tyrone with Tech Life, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.